up, guys? I'm back with the build, the Bumblebee build. It's not completed yet, and further along down the video I'll let you know why it's not completed. But I'm just giving you some pictures right there, and we're gonna go around the case and then open up the side panel on both sides and check out the cable management and everything inside. Alright, let's get with it. As you can see, I went ahead and paint this the same color. It's just tad different, shade different color than inside, but I try to get as close as I can. The front, little dust there because I had it inside playing with it, playing some games. See the front? Yeah, move it up a little, and I'll give you a shot of the front. I'm gonna try to tilt it to the so you can see the top of the case without doing any damage. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, got one DVD burner, CDRW there, and I'm also going to open this up and show you what I did with the H50. Here's the side, other side of it. This case comes with a little vents there because they give you the option to put a fan right behind the motherboard. Here's the black. I chipped it up a little there. You can see what I'm talking about, the color difference. It's a little yellower than the side. Now let me open the side for you right now. And I bring you a little closer in. That's just a little closer. I can't get too close. Zoom in a little. But as you see there, that video card, that's a 7950 GT. This past Friday, my GTX 260 kind of bit the dust, so had to send it back into EVGA, and so I could get a RMA on that. You see the fan on the bottom. I have that fan. My fans are blue LEDs. I don't think it goes that well with the yellow. Let me try to see if I could get like white LEDs. And as you've seen in the side panel, I haven't cut the window because I haven't decided how I want to cut it and who's going to cut it for me, or if I'm going to do it, someone else is going to do it. And you see the H50 right there with the tubes going towards the front. And it's a little messy here because like I said, that's going to the fan, and I had to hook it up to the motherboard so that fan will work on that video card. That's an aftermarket video card. I switched it out with the other one. And the only cable that I had leave inside the case is this 4-pin, for the 4-pin motherboards, because I have 4-pin and 8-pin up there. And there goes the hard drives. I have 3 hard drives, one SSD, one 350, one 750. And as you see this jumbled little mess down here, that's just fan controllers. I don't want to put those, so I'm gonna probably get some other ones and either put it up in here or drill some holes and just have little knobs for the fan controller. There's that one fan that came with the H50. Wow. I have the two 140s up on top. They're also blue LEDs, and they're made by Ariel Cool. I don't think you can see those, but you can see a 24 pin there. Let me see the 24 pin there. Those 24 pin I bought from Newegg, sleeved already, and also the 8 pin. You can't see them up there with that right there in that corner where the voltage regulator's at. And let me take the other side off here. That wasn't supposed to happen. And there's your cable management. There's a lot of cables back there. I got that's the 24 pin, the 8 pin is up there. It's tucked in there real pretty decent, you know, with the 8 pin that comes from the motherboard. I mean from the power supply. It's a little loose right here because I was doing some work to it. That's the cable management. It's about 90% complete. I want to get some LED lights and try to place them somewhere. You guys know a good where they sell some decent LED lights? Because I had some cathodes and they're just tubes, and it's hard to put a tube in there after everything's in there, especially in this case. But I want to get some and put it in the front up here somewhere so it'll shine down at it. Maybe in here so it'll shine that way. You know, like Laser Man, West Coast Mods. He has on his mods. And let me show you the front. And I'll open it up. Be careful, I don't want to break anything here. Now this is H50. Now you see that grill there? That grill, my intention was to have this extra fan so it wouldn't suck up too much dust in there. You know, I don't want to clog the radiator up. But behind there, I have, it was an old fan. What I did was cut it out, like one of the other YouTuber guys. And this one's it's 120 by 120 by 25. That one's 120 by 120 by 30 millimeters, I think. It's a little longer, and it pushes the radiator a little back further in so that it wouldn't be too tight right here. If I could show you the radiator. There's some noctua fans right there. You can see the fans, the blades right there. Go back around to the front. I'll show you what I'm talking about. That extra one, you see that extra one right there? Right now the only thing that's holding this in place is little tie wraps. I gotta figure out a different technique to hold that in. I was thinking about on the side right here, maybe right there in that hole, you know, drill straight into it and just put another bolt on both sides, you know, to hold it in. But it's holding it okay. Doesn't move that much. And then when I get my new video card, I'm just gonna add more to it. Oh, the video card I want to get back from VGA. That's a 750 watt power supply. Now I showed you earlier this right here. I had 120 millimeter by 120 millimeter, 25. Initially I cut like a vent. I was going to use this for something else, but when I was looking at his videos, I'll put a link down on, I think it's Computer Tech TV. I'll put a link down, and I plan to put it on right here. So what it does, when it sucks the air from the bottom, see, without this, when it sucks the air from the bottom, it blows it out. If you've seen some other videos, it just blows it out everywhere like that, not straight up. So this kind of makes it like a little tunnel effect. So it blows it kind of straight up to where I want it, because you know the video card goes all the way back here and the fan is right there, so it's kind of blowing right into the fan, keeping it cool, and then blowing that out. I got some you probably can, they all look the same. This top one is a vent. This is where the other 2 slot for the video card was at. I just put it there. Another vent. This is my Sound Blaster Auto G2, and then 2 empty slots right there. Well guys, that's almost complete. You guys see the top. Let me try to. There you go. You see the top. The front again. Little dust. This is a 120 millimeter fan. That's also blue as well. That actually came with the case. So guys, yeah, that's it, and couple other things here and there, and then it'll be complete. And then I'll probably sell the case. I don't know, I'm just teasing. Who knows what's gonna happen. But anyway, alright guys, leave comments, you know, like I said, if you know any links where they sell those LEDs, you know, leave some links, you know, so I could check them out. I don't have time, you know, but I mean, if you put a comment down there, I'll check it out and see what I could do. So alright guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.